I'm gonna show y'all some of my grandsons fishing, Dalton and Trey. They went fishing. Here's some pictures they caught. When you go fishing in Florida, hey, the scenery is beautiful. Look at that scenery right there. My grandsons are fishing. There's one of the big reds he caught. He's fishing. He loves fishing. There's a stingray his brother shot. Shot him right in the eye right there. They'll do anything. Bowfish, rod and reel fish, whatever. They're fishermen. There's another one he caught. Look at that scenery behind him out there. Whew, sun going down. It's beautiful. And another one. Scenery just beautiful everywhere. There's a little one. Don't know if he's big enough to keep or not. They didn't look like they kept him. They must have let him go back in the water. There's what they kept. The stingray and one red. But they had fun fishing.